Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Do you want some music, probably?
What's that noise? What is that noise? Sing, sing a song. Keep it simple to last the whole night long. A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're a cutie full of charms. D, you're delightful. And E, you're exciting. And F, you're a feather in my arms. G, you're good looking. I'm gonna get you that book. Let's find that book, okay?